Hello mga Jackonatics and ating mga ka-Engoo dyan. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Tutor Jacko at your service. Alright, well, again, this is actually a series of our quarter returns, how to file your quarter returns. So now, this time, this is part 3. Alright, so meron tayong part 1 of this video, which is the FAQ or frequently asked questions and discussions, okay, about quarter returns. And then part 2 is about the first quarter return. Alright, this time we will go to our second quarter return. Alright, so again, alright, so si second quarter na ito, and from time to time, yung BIR kasi nag-a-update ng new version. Alright, so you really have to make sure na updated and the latest version yung ginagamit mo. Alright, so again, go to bir.gov.ph and then look for eBIR forms. Again, take note of this one, package version 7.9.2.1. So that's the latest version. Okay, as of date, as of record, yung ginagamit ko sa system ko na form, na downloaded ko na form is 7.9.2.1. Okay, so meaning updated yung ginagamit ko. In your case, if it's not, then you just have to download it. Alright? Or when you click this one, automatically, kapag sinave mo siya in the same folder of your previously downloaded eBIR forms, then automatically it will be updated. Alright? For first timers, you just have to click this one and then automatically it will be downloaded. Okay? And then you can install it in your computer. And make sure, as much as possible, mayroon kayong dalawang partition sa inyong drive sa computer. Kasi nga, if in case na may mga mangyari, makorrupt, or kailangan i-reformat yung C, hindi siya affected. So, sa ibang drive mo i-save. Kasi when you use the eBIR forms, masisave yung lahat ng mga forms. Okay, like for example, your income tax return, your quarter returns mo of the prior years, masisave doon. Pero kung sa C mo siya sinave, tapos nag-reformat ka, so mawawala yun lahat. Okay? To make sure, para pag kahit na corrupt siya or nawala yung file, you have a hard copy. Alright? So now let's go back to the form. Okay, so we will now file. So again, this is for training purposes. So I'm not using actually my real tax identification number. So I just use 00 for training purposes. Okay, in your case, you really have to write your own tax identification here. So this is not anymore my first time. So kapag in-input mo yung TIN mo, automatically lalabas na yung details mo. Okay, your RDO code, your line of business that is written in your CUR, doon yung basis mo for this. And then of course your taxpayer's name, registered address, zip code, telephone number, and then your email address. Alright, take note kung ano yung email address na inilagay mo dito, doon ka rin makaka-receive ng email notification once you have submitted already your online quarter returns. Alright, so parang nawawala tayo, lutang. Alright, now, in the list of BIR forms, makikita mo, again, as I always say, no, do not be confused kasi dalawang 1701Q. Okay, the first one is 1701Q, ito, and then yung isa 1701Q version 2018. So ito yung pindutin ninyo. Okay, don't be confused. Alright. So first quarter, makita nyo naman, ito yung file ng first quarter ko. So in this form, makikita mo yung mga previous na pinile mo. Alright, now, okay, parang mali. Okay, yan ito. Okay, so just go back to 1701Q, this one. Okay, and then click fill up. Okay, background information saved, updated successfully. Then you will be routed to this one. Okay, so again, make sure na January 2018 yung form. The other form kasi is parang 2001. Okay, now for the year 2022. Alright, and click second quarter. Alright, amended return. If yes, click yes. If no, no. So in my case, it's no. Number of sheets attached, wala. 0 yung and then item number 5, that's your TIN. And then 6, your RDO code, taxpayer, file type. Number 7, again, ito yung ginagamit ko, professional. And then alphanumeric tax code is income from professional. That's Ganyan. And then 9 and 10, that's actually your name and your registered address. 8,000. Okay. So your birthday, para happy birthday. Okay mo na rin. And then of course the email address. And then if you are Filipino, American, or Filipino lang naman. And then claiming for tax number. So wala naman tayong claiming for foreign tax credits. Wala. So again, item number 16, kung ano yung pinili mo dito, automatically it will be reflected here. So akin is 8%, so 8%. Pag kinilik mo naman yung graduated, so graduated yung tick dito. Alright? Part 2, background information on spouse. Again, magagamit mo lang ito if you are filing with your spouse jointly. Okay? Part 3, total tax payable. So dito, after you have filled up page 2, automatically it will be reflected in part 3. Alright? Now, part 4, if you are paying through banks or accredited agency, any accredited agency, gagamit mo ito. Okay? So this time, next na tayo, proceed tayo, page 2. Alright? So again, schedule number 1 is for graduated IT rate. Okay? So ito yung mga gumagamit ng mga tax tables that we have here at the bottom of this form of page 2. Alright? So in our case, kasi 8% tayo, punta tayo agad sa schedule 2. Alright? That is for 8% IT rate. Again, your sales revenues, item number 47. Alright? So, kunin mo yung lahat ng mga revenues mo from April, May, and June. Okay, in your books of accounts, your service revenue, April, May, and June. Alright? Like for example, umabot ka ng 60,000 pesos. Okay, in your second quarter. Then if you have other non-operating income or ilagay mo dito, that's 48. And then 49 is just the total of 47 and 48. Item number 50, add total taxable income or loss previous quarters. Item 51 of previous quarter. Okay? So, yung previous quarter natin is, ano yun, the total taxable income natin for the last quarter. Okay? So, in this case, yung nilagay natin for the previous quarter, like the first quarter. So, in our example, in part 2, ilagay natin yung 50,000. Okay? Ganyan. Alright, so that's already 110,000 in total. Cumulative taxable income loss as of this quarter, sum of items 49 and 50, so that's 110. Alright, now, less allowable reduction from gross sales, receipts, and other non-operating income of purely self-employed individuals and or professionals in the amount of 250,000. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Again, keep track of your previous quarter. So, this is second quarter. So, importante na alam mo yung mga details ng first quarter mo. Alright. So, ayan. Alright. So, item number 50, taxable income or loss to date. Okay. That items 51 less item 52. So, negative 140,000. Alright. So, item number 54, wala kang tax due kasi you are still within the threshold, the exemption na 250,000. Kasi 110 lang yung total mo from the first and then the second quarter. Alright, so wala kang tax due. Alright, now prior year's excess credits. So wala because you will use the credits you've made in the first quarter. Okay? Tapos tax payments for the previous quarters. Alright, like for example, ikaw yung talagang nagbayad, hindi withhold. Alright? Creditable tax withheld for the previous quarters. Okay? So, creditable tax withheld for the previous quarter, for the first quarter. Okay? Ang inaano nito. Alright? So, wala namang previous quarter. Walang withheld sa akin for the previous quarter. Right? Creditable tax withheld per BIR Form 23074 for this quarter. Alright? So, again, zero tax kasi ako. No, I applied for zero tax, so walang withheld sa akin. So 59 tax paid in return previously filed if it's an amended return. All right? Ayan. So other tax credits, payment specify. Ayan, tax credits payment, sum of ganyan, ganyan. Alright, so yung prior excess credits, ilagay pala natin yung ano guys, yung ating 5,000 na prior year's credits. Kasi in our previous quarter, so nilagay natin siya, no, 5,000. Ayun. Alright, so makikita ninyo, kasi wala naman akong tax due, so 5,000, negative 5,000 is actually tax refund. Alright, now for Schedule 4, surcharge, interest, compromise if meron. So far, di naman tayo nagdi-delay, di naman tayo late for filing. So, walang mga ganito. Alright? Now, let's go back to page 1 kung ano yung nagre-reflect na dito. Alright, so ganun pa rin. Alright, so nagre-reflect na siya ng negative 5,000. Alright. Ayan. Okay? So, again, once okay ka na dito, all you just need to do is to validate. Again, validation successful. And then you need to click save successfully, and then you submit, okay, the final copy. Alright, pag sure ka na, i-submit. Kasi once ma-submit mo na ang final copy, hindi mo na siya ma-edit. Pero pag hindi mo pa sinubmit yung final copy, you can still edit it out. Alright, so maaga pa naman. Alright, so yung deadline mo pa naman for the second quarter is August 15. Okay, so August 15, kung malayo pa, baka mayroon ka pang idagdag ng mga service revenue na hindi mo na put on record. Alright, so mayroon kang mga adjustments and everything. So wag mo muna i-submit. So again, second quarter is your income from April, May, and June. Lahat ng mga service revenue mo for April, May, and June. Again, the deadline is August 15. Okay? On the same year. Like for example, this year is 2022. So yung deadline mo is August 15, 2022. Alright? So again, if masubmit mo na yung final copy, you will receive a notification to the email that you have in, 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 in included here. Okay, nabubulol tayo. Alright, so again, that's it. Alright, so that's our part 3 of this video series. Alright, and if you are new to this channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you will be updated of my new uploads. And also, if you like this video, please like. And if you have some comments, suggestions, or if you have a shout out, okay, feel free to comment that down below. All right, so that's it for today. Bye for now and see you again soon.